In the front of the van we got first aid kit, just extra plastic bags, batteries, lighter for lighting the stove, sunblock, deodorant, hairbrush, chargers, battery packs, phone, speaker. So the back of the van we've got portable toilet, in the drawers. That's where all the forks, knives, everything for cooking is. We've got cups, plates, chopping board in here. Got food in here. Food and that in there. Tap that connects up to the car battery, so you don't have to pump it. Got the water, wastewater, all extra tools hanging on there. Under the bed we've got this chili bin for the kayak fishing, this chili bin that connects up to the car, which is powered, and basically a freezer as well. Storage for just clothes. Up here we've got 2 surfboards, kayak paddles, fishing rods over there. We've got mosquito nets on the windows so mosquitoes don't get in. We've got bits and pieces over here like spare fishing lights. These for our tarp so you can do the awning, and the stuff you might need. A little bin behind the seat. This is just a laundry bag of dirty clothes, just somewhere to hang the towels. So in the back of the van, or under the bed, we've got the ladder to get the kayak on the roof. We've got pots and pans in here, fire extinguisher, got a gas bottle, so in the future we'll have like a vented part for the gas bottle. We've got a box for basically everything. We've got the cooker, tarps, fishing reels, inverter for power, basically any little bits that you may need. A lot more bungees and stuff for the toilet. We've got kayak chairs, got camping chairs, and we have a camping table. If you want to point it. Camping tables in there. This box is just full of kayak and surfing gear, so wax and anything I chuck on the kayak really. This box has just got extra towels, extra clothes, sleeping bags, and we've got life jackets over here, people who can't swim, and a tool bag of just tools that you might need on the road and jumper leads and stuff like that.